Welcome back, traders. In today's video, we're analyzing the Bank Nifty, which looks poised for an upside move amid fresh rate cut optimism and an encouraging inflation forecast.
Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This content is purely educational. I'm not a SEBI-registered advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice.
Let's begin with the broader sentiment. Two key drivers are supporting Bank Nifty's strength. Right now are the news of interest rate cuts of 50 basis points and a declining inflation forecast, which now sits around 3.7%. These factors are typically favorable for banking stocks, boosting overall liquidity and credit growth outlook. Technically, Bank Nifty is showing strong signs of bullish momentum. After consolidating, it now appears to be preparing for a breakout. But there are a few critical zones to keep in mind. The first key level to watch is 56,350. If the market retraces to this zone and holds, it could serve as a solid reversal point, potentially pushing the index up toward 57,000 in the near term. If bullish momentum continues and the support holds, Bank Nifty may rally towards 57,000, which is the next strong resistance and psychological barrier. However, it's also important to note, the zone between 56,300 and 56,500 may experience sideways movement before a clear breakout happens. So patience will be key in this area. In a worst-case scenario, if Bank Nifty breaks below 55,800, it may indicate weakness. A breakdown here could drag the index down to 55,450 and to 55,100, which is the next critical support zone. Here's a quick recap of the key Bank Nifty levels. These can help you map out possible entry or exit zones based on how the market behaves. That's it for Bank Nifty Outlook. Do you think the bulls will take charge, or are we heading for a deeper correction? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly market insights. See you in the next one.